You've done it. Congratulations, you finished the Charls Video Editing Style, and you've done a great job. So now, where to next? I know you normally get an actionable step from Joseph, but there isn't an actionable step for this course, and I'll explain why. Well, I'm sure you know that editing this 3D style is a hefty task and it takes a lot of your time. So asking you to do an actionable step, even if I did ask you, you probably wouldn't want to do it anyways, just because it would take so long for no money. So you don't need to do an actionable step. What I want you to do instead is just add this reel that you've just edited either to your X profile or portfolio. This will highly impress leads and people who see it, and it will also lead to potential clients knocking on your door wanting this high demand 3D editing style. But now I want to share with you how you can price this 3D style reel and also how you can deliver this reel to your clients. So firstly, I want you to just estimate how long editing this reel by yourself would take. For me, this normally takes somewhere between 5 to 7 or 7, maybe 8 hours if it's really long. But that's the time it takes for me. So I think a reasonable price for this reel is around $200 to $300. And you might be thinking that's crazy for a reel, and even as an editor you might think that's crazy, but this isn't just the Devin Jatho style, this isn't Alex Hormozi style, this is a highly advanced 3D editing style that only a handful of editors can do. Not all editors can do this, only a few can do this. Like personally, I can't take all the clients that want 3D style reels from me. So you are entering the competition with a high demand skill which only a select few can do, so congratulations. You are now highly skilled, and you can also charge like a highly skilled editor, and that's what I highly recommend you do. Don't be scared to reveal your prices. If a client asks you how much you charge, you tell them $200 to $300, and if they say, what, that's crazy, you don't try and negotiate with them, you don't try and negotiate, you know your worth, you're an insanely talented editor, you can edit this 3D style, make sure you charge what you're worth. And I'm also saying you don't need to only do 3D style reels. Just because you can do it doesn't mean you have to exclusively do it, because you can get burnt out if you're only editing 3D style. So I recommend also taking on a few clients with the Alex Hormozi style, with the Devin Jatho style. So there's some simple styles and also this complex style, and you'll become a highly paid video editor and a highly in-demand video editor in no time. Once again, congratulations on finishing this course. I'm so proud of you, and make sure you continue learning and continue developing as a video editor. I wish you the best.